What to do, YouTube? It's just Jane back with just another video. I was gonna wait and I was going to film this video once my sophomore year of college was over. But at this point, we're all at Zoom University and our college year's over for anyone. So I'm just like, okay, let's do it now. I really wish I knew these things I'm about to say, because if I would have known all of this, it would have made life a whole lot easier. But when is life ever easy? These are the things I wish I would have known before freshman year. And if I could tell my younger self, my high school senior ass, hey girl, listen, these would be the things I would tell her. First of all, who you start off with will not be who you end with. That's totally okay. Some people are going to stick around for all 4 years and others are not. And that's completely fine. Maybe there was some beef that happened, maybe you guys just drifted apart, but like, regardless, you're still gonna have your steady group of friends no matter what. And going off of that, you still have so many years to meet so many people that you didn't know you could love so much. There will be people who didn't know they could love you so much. You have so many people coming in and out of your life and in and out of the school that you go to. So it's genuinely so amazing how you can meet someone who you never knew existed and how much they can like impact your life. What people don't know, they can't ruin. If they had the chance or the opportunity to ruin it, it was never any of their business in the first place. And girl, let me tell you, that lesson right there is something you only learn the hard way. Your adrenaline is so high all the time. Even when you're in your room by yourself and you think you're relaxing, you're really not relaxing as much as you think you are because of the environment that you are in. And that may be me specifically, because I feed off of people's energy no matter what. I mean, I have really bad FOMO. You would think I would have grown out of that by now, but no. You feel trapped and stuck in college because you are, but that's not forever. One day you're going to miss the stress, the mess, the chaos, and the craziness that this college lifestyle gave you, especially because you can only live it once. Each and every year goes by faster and faster than the previous one. And then you're gonna blink and it's all gonna be over and you're really gonna be like, damn, I miss that. Like, I miss going to that party. I miss doing things I shouldn't have been doing. Now I'm an adult and I gotta pay bills and gotta go to work on time, girl. And I don't have the excuse of being a college kid anymore. Just because you've graduated high school does not mean you're grown, and just because you're a college student does not mean you're all grown up. College students are kids. They don't call us college adults, they call us college kids. And I am definitely one of those people who is getting older but not necessarily growing up at the same time, if that makes sense. Your early 20s are probably gonna be more wild than your teen years, if we're being honest. Like, let's keep it real. This is one of those things that I definitely did know, but it never really clicked until later on. If you're gonna waste your time with somebody, waste it with someone who makes you feel good. And I know that's crazy, I know that's very self-explanatory. There's not really a story behind this, there's not much to it. It's just, if you're going to waste your time with somebody, waste it with somebody who makes you feel good and happy and makes you feel like they care. Change is inevitable, and no semester or year of college is supposed to be the same. In fact, if your semester is looking the exact same as another one, or if your year is looking the exact same as another one, something is wrong. That's in terms of social life, that's in terms of academics and classes and just priorities. Like, we're here to grow, and we can't grow if our college lives are staying stagnant. College is in fact a social construct. Yes, education is important, but grades aren't everything. At the end of the day, make the grades to keep your scholarship, get your degree, and get out. Nobody is going to look at your transcript and be like, oh my god, you got a D? Baby, we're not hiring you. I'm sorry, that's unacceptable. That's just not how life works. A class should never make you feel less of yourself. A class is a class and it's only a semester long, and oftentimes classes are not what your job's gonna be like. There is no reason, there's no way, shape, or form one class should make you want to change your whole plan of where you want to end up in life. Like, that's not okay, and that's really not cool, and that's usually not even on the student, but we're not gonna go there. Do not prioritize your classes and your grades over your well-being. One day your classes and your grades won't matter, but your well-being will. So it is okay to be mediocre and not go above and beyond for every class. You are human, you have a life outside of class and working hard. It is okay. And I think I knew this because I definitely have been living by this tactic for a while. And I'm doing great, but it still would have been nice to actually know that coming in. Don't force yourself to do something you are not ready to do. If you're not in the mood to do work, then the work is gonna be sloppy or on some bullshit. And bullshit can pass, but sloppiness never will. I mean, baby, that's that on that. Like, that's tea. I get it. Sometimes you're tired and you don't want to do something, but like, if you just dead ass do not have the willpower to do it at all whatsoever, don't. Wait until you're ready. Once again, bullshit can pass, sloppiness never will. All you can do is try your best, and sometimes your best isn't good enough, but your best is your best, and that's damn sure okay. And that's in all aspects. That goes in classes, in relationships, friendships, anything. This next one is super simple, but it means a lot. I can do anything, but I can't do everything. And that's just how it is. It helps me remember that I am not invincible, but I am capable of doing so much. When you sit and listen to someone, it is amazing what you'll hear. Communication and compromise is key. You can't focus on a future that may never happen, because if you focus on the future, you'll forget what you have right now and just learn to enjoy the moment. It says everything it needs to say right there, and when you take that and you put it in drive, you will realize how much more you will enjoy moments and how much more precious these memories are going to become. And those are all of the things I wish I would have known before freshman year. I can't believe I'm basically halfway done with my college career, baby girl. I only have 2 years left, and you know, a lot can happen in 2 years, so it's gonna be interesting, and it's gonna be like fun to see and still grow up on here and show you all that life. And I wish I knew then what I know now, but now that I know what I know now, I've definitely grown a lot as a person, and I hope you guys can do the same with the help of this video. 1, 2, 3, peace.